Hey, it's Chelsea Bird here at the All-Weather At Home showroom. Chuck is the regional manager, gonna let us know all about replacing our windows. So when is it time to replace windows in your home, Chuck? What are you looking for?
Absolutely. It all comes down to when you're feeling comfortable or not feeling comfortable, for that matter, in your home. In summer, is it too hot? In winter, is it too cold or drafty? If the glass is foggy, if it's hard to operate the windows, it's probably a sign that it's not working, so you need to upgrade the windows.
So when you've decided it's time to replace, what's the next step? What do you do?
Really, come visit any of our showrooms or give us a call. One of our experts will come give you an in-home consultation for free, no pressure, and really find the right solution for you.
I love that you'll actually come into someone's home and take a look at their environment and see exactly what they might need. It might not be this big, overwhelming project that you think it is, right?
Absolutely. We want to help you from start to finish to make it as easy as possible.
Well, come visit them in their showroom, of course, or online at allweatherathome.ca.